So in this video, we take a look at the importance of producing robust software. So what do we actually mean by the term robust in terms of computer science? Well, it's the ability for a computer system to cope with errors during execution. If we fine-tune this a little and think about the definition in terms of actual software, it means the ability for an algorithm or a program that you have written to continue to operate despite abnormalities in input and calculations, etc. There's a big difference between writing a program which is simply syntactically and logically correct and also writing a same program which will be able to handle a variety of rogue situations without causing it to crash. There are many techniques we can add to an already working program in order to make it more robust. We can add data validation to make sure that only the correct data types have been entered and that incorrect data types don't cause a program to crash. We can use various error catching techniques, although these are outside the specification of the GCSE. There are many methods we can use, but all of them have the same design in principle, and that is to make our program or our software more robust. We cover the topic of data validation in a little more detail in a video under topic 6b. At GCSE, you also need to know methods of identifying vulnerabilities in software, and two are specifically mentioned in the spec, and that's the use of audit trails and code reviews. Let's have a look at those now. So an audit trail is a record or a log of what's been done and, importantly, who did it or what they did, typically with additional information such as the time they did the action and possibly the privileges they had. If we keep detailed audit trails of a system, we can use it to check what has happened. This can aid in being able to restore a system to a previous state if required. The second one is code reviews. Now this is literally the checking of source code by other experienced programmers. This has various advantages. It can help to identify bad programming practice. It can help to identify vulnerabilities in the code or areas where the code could or should be made more robust. It can help to check the efficiency of the code. So just to recap then, robust software means the ability for an algorithm or program to continue to operate despite abnormalities. And there are two techniques you need to be aware of to help identify vulnerabilities in code, and they are code reviews, which help check source code by other experienced programmers, and audit trails, which record a log of what's been done and who did it or what they did.